Grand Rising family, how y'all doing? How y'all doing this Friday? Family, let me share this to the family. We're going to talk about how you can get paid for your data starting right now. Now, family, listen, if you're tired of tech companies making all the money off your data while building a $25 billion industry without paying you a penny, family, it's time to join Tapestry today. That's the app that pays. Tapestry family is the app that pays. So like I said, it's a $25 billion industry. Hey, peace, Travis Henderson. How you doing, Queen? It's a $25 billion industry that is predicated on our data, family. And we're not getting a dime off of it. Today, I'm going to show y'all, not only am I going to talk about it, I'm going to show you people that are now making money and the areas at which this money is being made, family, and how you can get started into making money right now. This ain't something we're talking about hypothetically happening. This is something that we're talking about that is happening right now, family. And if you want to start making this money right now, I need y'all to click that link, sign up, and let's start getting paid. All right, so like I was saying, family, it's a $25 billion market that is predicated on people's data. And when we own these social media platforms, we are giving this data away for free, right? So it should be 1 million people watching this. This should be a video wherein everybody should be sharing this to their mother and their brother and their sister and their cousin about this opportunity that Tapestry is offering. So let me share my screen and we're going to jump right in. Now, you know, some people, when you tell them something is too good to be true, they don't believe it, right? So before I even get into what is Tapestry and the benefits of Tapestry, let me show y'all some quick screenshots of people that are already making money. This is the monthly balance. Somebody that made $1.56. Let me show y'all some more. Then we're going to jump into the presentation. But I want y'all to see that people, look, this is an area right here. And all these little icons are people that is using the Tapestry app. This is Long Beach, Torrance, right? This look like it's in California area, West Coast. Look at all these people. All these, look, they all using Tapestry. Here we go right here. This is Dallas Fort Worth. You see, all these avatars are people that are using Tapestry, family. I can show y'all this for days because look at this. It's growing. People are now realizing that this app is live and people are making money. This is Denver. This is Colorado. And you can see the people are starting. More and more avatars you see. Look at Maryland. This is Maryland, New York. The more and more avatars you see, this means more people have downloaded Tapestry and now are getting paid for their data. This is down here in Florida. Look, you can see that this is real, family. Tens of thousands of people have already downloaded Tapestry and are tapped into making this money, family. Right. So what is Tapestry? What is this that everybody is so excited about? What is this thing that has these people setting up these avatars and getting paid every day? But family, what this is something called Tapestry, right? It's your data and you should be getting paid for it, right? So what we see is that the problem is that consumer data is being sold every day. and we're not earning a penny from it, right? Our data is being used every day. We're not getting paid a brown cent, right? There's a $25 billion market that is predicated primarily on large brands and social media companies ripping us off of our data. Plain and simple. We're not going to play with them tonight. We're going to tell it like a TI is. They are ripping us off of our data because we are using these social media companies. And in exchange for us using these companies, they are taking our data, right? So you see Facebook pays team to install VPN that spies on them, right? Andrew Yang is pushing big tech to pay users for data, right? Documentaries like The Social Dilemma exposes the addictive nature of such platforms. We see that the whistleblower came out on Facebook and talked about some of their policies and procedures, right? The things that are going on. Now, with the problem, whenever there's a problem, there's always a solution, family. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Y'all share this to y'all family. Y'all share to somebody who needs some extra money, because we can all use extra money. If you see something up here talking about getting extra money and you scroll past it, I don't know what's wrong with you, because I don't know nobody that makes so much money that they can't afford to get some extra money, right? So the solution is Tapestry. If consumers knew how, many would monetize the data they're already giving away for free in exchange for a consistent monthly check. Family, you're giving your data away for free, why not get paid for it? It's just like, yo, let's get paid for it, right? So listen, this is the home screen. This is how the app look. You can download it at Apple Store. You can get it on Google Play. This is how your home screen look, and this is how your profile page look. Now, with your profile, you can change your avatar to look like you, right? And it's your data, and you should get paid for, right? So for those that has already downloaded the app, let me give y'all a quick 6-7 minute run through of what
from
to
Walter
do.
Harrison from earlier today.
Some of the functions of the app and also some frequently asked questions. So I'm at my home screen. You can see there's a home at the bottom left of the screen. You can see that I have a goal of $5.50. And thus far, I've made $1.66, which is great. It's working. If I want to see how much money I've made per day, I would just hit the 3 lines here, go to payback history. You can actually see how much I've made each and every day. So yesterday, 24 cents, 19 cents, etc. Now, if the goal is to achieve $5.50, let's choose round numbers, you'd probably need to earn around 19 cents per day to hit that goal, right? And that should be, you should be seeing that every single day. When you see these numbers go down, like a penny or less than a penny, or it's 0, I would then start looking at, am I still connected with Tapestry? But most of the time, roughly 90-95% of the time, it's going to do all the work for you, and you don't have to worry about that. Now, for those who don't know how to check if Tapestry is working, let's go there for a second. Let's go to settings. Let's go to privacy. I can spell it right. There we go. Location services. Find Tapestry. I think it's always the bottom since it's alphabetical, and you can see that it's always. And it's also on precise location. Approximate location would really put your phone roughly between 5 to 50 meters away from that location signal. So I would stay away from that. Make sure that precise location button is enabled. Okay, back to the app. So back to what I said earlier, I've made $1.66. I have a $5.50 goal. As I continue to use Tapestry, my goal will continually increase. Now let's jump to the map. The feedback we were getting so much is like, oh my goodness, I can see so many Tapestry people. Look at all these people. It's fantastic. So all of these are Tapestry users in my area. I'm in Chicago area. So Up north, I can see obviously everybody in Chicago. I can see people down in Indiana, up in Wisconsin. I can even see a couple folks out in Iowa, which is fantastic, and down south in Springfield, Illinois, heading towards St. Louis. So let's just zoom in for a second. Let's find a point of interest. Okay. So here is an avatar. One person at Holy Trinity High School. Now, this person could be walking by the school. They may be in the school. It's completely up to that specific person. Let's see what this location is. Oh, this is even better. Smoke Daddy's Barbecue. A place I might need to try since it's in my Chicago area. A completely anonymous avatar. I don't know his name. I don't know anything about this gentleman. It could be a woman. You can create an avatar that completely changes who you are. That's kind of the beauty of Tapestry, and it's completely anonymous. Here's what I know for sure. Every single person we see here is making money with Tapestry. Their data is being bought and sold by so many other companies. They've chosen to take that power back in their own hands and make money with us. And we are proud and privileged. On top of that, they can tap a friend, earn a buck. They can literally, with their own referral code, share the app, have that person download the app and make $1 as soon as that person's been active for 30 days. I mean, it could not be easier. Right now, we're already sharing movies, right? Everyone's talking about the trend of the show on Netflix right now, the Squid Game, and whatever else we're talking about, which is like in the social ether, which is fantastic. That's great. But what we were trying to push here as a company is that you can share something that can change people's life, which is making money passively, anonymously, in the background. So we're getting a lot of good feedback there. Some of the feedback is like, okay, can you open this up? So right now, just to be clear, we've limited the range to about 250 miles. So that's what you can actually see around you. If you go coast to coast, that's about 2,000 miles. If you went from like California to North Carolina or California to New York, that's about 2,800 miles. We want to enable that so everyone across the country and eventually across the world can see anonymous avatars. And we're working quite aggressively on that. So a question that comes up a lot, let's talk about places visited. So these are my places visited in my area. So some feedback is, I went to McDonald's, I went to Whole Foods, I went to Kroger, Costco, whatever it may be. I sat in the parking lot, I went inside, I bought groceries, and it did not show up here. That is okay. As long as you have Tapestry running in the background, you see it shifted to always, you have precise location on, you can see yourself on the map, it's working. You should see your monthly balance and goal increase over time, but every single day, you should see your balance increase. That is a huge sign that it's working. So we are going to constantly optimize this. It's really not our major priority right now. Our major priority right now is to make sure everyone can download Tapestry successfully on Android and iOS. They can share it, and we can push a report to all our users who already have that report in their app, but more importantly to our affiliates so they can actually see, it's working. Later on in this conversation, we'll show you some of the revenue survey people are making. I mean, I saw one woman, she's going to make $175 from us in the month of October from doing surveys. It's fantastic. I don't know where else she can make that type of money, just sitting down on her phone with a nice cup of coffee, just answering questions completely honestly and transparently. Okay, so for those who want to jump in here and start answering surveys with us, here's how it works. Now, right now, you see this survey loading. It's loading because it's taking my prior information. When we ask you your age, your gender, your date of birth, you see a quality score at the top left. That quality score is 100. These companies are very sophisticated. You're now jumping in their UI. Behind this survey company is all these brands who care about your opinion. It could be a car manufacturer. It could be a brand like Procter & Gamble, and it could be anyone trying to understand who and what you are and more about you. Now, here's the thing. They don't know anything about me. I never put in my name. I never put in my email address. They're not receiving any of that information. The only thing they understand is my age, my gender, and my year of birth. and they have algorithms behind that. So as I scroll down, I'm not going to put in information here because I don't want to throw off our goal for everybody, but my zip code, my gender, my race, my income. You know, if I have children, they'll be again asking me, how old are my children? Again, they're trying to score, you know, what type of surveys should I put in front of this person? And the company reached out to me today or yesterday, and they said, we have 2 million surveys available every single day, and not just in the United States. I've already seen international surveys from Australia to India available as well. Completely up to you, but for those who are looking at Tapestry as a way to, you know, make a couple $100 a month, like just from app, this is a really good option. We are going to constantly optimize this because some feedback we got is I got blocked.
All right, family. So we can see that the app is working. So now what I want to do is let's get back to this. Let's get right back to the presentation. So, you know, so listen, once you get to the home screen, family, this is where we at, right? So now listen, let's check out the business model. User download the app, you consent to data location. Tapestry begins collecting data passively in the background. The data is analyzed and monetized using predictive analytics. Earnings are tabulated and paid out each month. You see the brands that want to buy, agencies that want to buy, financial institutions that want to buy, real estate groups that want to buy this data, family. Now listen, consented user data at scale. Now what's going on, family, is right now we have a lot of third-party companies that is getting people data, and they are selling that data to outside companies, where the government is actively working towards stopping that, because these companies are selling the data without the consent of the consumer. Well, once the government goes about stopping third-party companies from selling data and collecting data without the consent of the user, is gonna make the apps that already has the consent of the user to collect the data take the place of the ones that does not. So Tapestry is positioning itself to be the lead dog in data collection because Tapestry has the consent from day one. This is going to make the data that Tapestry app actually collects more valuable, family. They're going to be paying more for this data because it's going to be more valuable as time go on. So how is Tapestry different? In the current market, customers earn income by doing cashback programs. But with Tapestry, it works in the background and doesn't require the customer to do anything extra, right? So it's the ease of use. You just download the app, you follow these 3 steps. The apps work in the background. You can interact if you want, but it works whether or not you do. And you get paid for living life as normal. No surveys or purchases required. Tapestry pays customers for doing everything they already do, family, right? So you will get paid to do what you're already doing. So in this model, Tapestry has a free app, family, that it wants to pay you for. Free app. So it has 2 tiers, a free tier and a paid tier. So with the free app, only thing you have to do, install, activate device location, and start earning. So you get paid, right, up to $25 per month on your data, and tap a friend to earn for referring. Each person that you refer to Tapestry that uses your link downloads the app and let the app run for 30 days. Each month, you will get $1 for each person that does that. So if you get somebody to download the app and they use the app for 10 months, that means each month you're gonna get $1 for that person that's using the app under your name. So if you get 10 friends to do it, that's $10 a month. If you get 100 people to do it, that's $100 a month. You get 1,000 people to do it, that's $1,000 a month, family. That is passive income and unlimited sharing without you having to do anything. but share the link and talk to people about Tapestry, family. There is no limit to the amount of people that you can refer. You can refer 5,000 people and they're gonna pay you $5,000 a month if they use this app, family. It don't matter, there is no limit. As long as your device location is turned on, you are good, family. Right? Now, what they also decided was, well, you know, we not only do we have this, what about those that want to pay? So they offered an affiliate market program where you can pay $9.95 a month. Now, with this $9.95 a month, what this does is this opens up tier 2, because under the free app, you get paid $1 for each person that you refer. But when you become a paid affiliate, not only do you get that $1 for each person that you refer, you get $1 for each person they refer. So now you can go ahead and refer some people. And let's say you under tier 2, you're a paid affiliate, and you refer someone, and that person really gets on it. That person starts sharing it on their social media sites. They talking to everybody at work. You know, they constantly talking to people about Tapestry. They promoting Tapestry. They talking to people signing up. And that person that you refer can mess around and get 1,500 people to sign up under him or her. Well, then now you make an extra $1,500 a month just because that person got 1,500 people to sign up under them. So it's not so much the people that you refer, it's also who they refer. And it can just go on and on. You can find that one person that really believe in Tapestry that signs up under you, and they're gonna go out and they're gonna do like me, always talking about it. They promoting it. You know, they trying to share it to the family. They trying to share it to their friends. They trying to share it to all their social media sites so people can get on board and start getting this free money, family, right? And then you will get paid because that one person really goes out there. So family, you want to pay that $9.95 to become a paid affiliate, because you would hate to sign 10 people up and not be a paid affiliate. And then that 10th person you sign up, go and get 1,000 people to sign up under them. And you're going to see it in your back office, because that's part of the $9.95. Once you pay the $9.95, you get your back office, right? But if you sign 10 people up and that 10th person get 1,000 people to sign up under them, and you don't get a dime out of that because you wouldn't pay that $9.95, you will be sick, because that $10 will be stopping you from making an extra $1,000 if you get that one person that really go out here and push hard. So if you sign up, family, you want to pay the $9.95 to become the paid affiliate, right? You want to do that. That's very important that you do that, family, because you don't want to leave no money on the table, right? So with the Tapestry affiliate, you know, you install the app, you activate the device location, you start earning money, right? So you refer 3 people, the 3 people you refer are your tier 1, then they refer 10 people, that's your tier 2, right? You will earn an extra $13, 3 for tier 1, extra 10 for tier 2, plus you're up to $25 a month for doing just for downloading the app, and an extra 13, right? You see how that works? Now, family, when you connect 10 paid affiliates, you become a super affiliate. Now, once you're a super affiliate, family, you get to earn a 50% matching bonus on all tier 1 and tier 2 affiliates. So let me get right to explain to you what exactly that entails, family, right? So let's say your tier 1 affiliates, you have 10 tier 1 affiliates, they earn $100 in commissions, right? You becoming a super affiliate, you will get a 50% bonus. So that means now you're going to get 50% of that $100. So you got 10 people making $100 and you get 50% of that, that's an extra $500 a month for you. Then if your tier 2 affiliates make $100 in commissions, you get a 50% bonus of that. So now that's 50% times 20, right? And that's $1,000. So now you're looking at an extra $1,500 a month, family. Now, if you are a super affiliate, you become part of something called a SAP, which is a super affiliate pool. And with this, every Tapestry customer who installs without a referral link would be distributed to the super affiliates. So anybody that joins Tapestry that is not birthed into the company, they will be sent out to the super affiliates, right? And then you can become a global affiliate once you get 10 super affiliates to sign up under your family. All right, now listen, earnest disclaimer. There's no gotchas in this affiliate compensation plan. You share the app, you help develop the Tapestry brand, you get rewarded. It's that simple. Tapestry cannot and does not guarantee any level of earnings. Family, you're only gonna get paid for what you put in. So you got to get out here, you got to work Tapestry. You work Tapestry, I promise you, it's gonna work for you. Let's get out here, be active with it, it's gonna work for you. Anybody that signs up under me that becomes a paid affiliate, I have a personal group I'm gonna send you to, we're gonna send tips to, we motivate each other, we're trying to get this bread, family, right? Now listen, the future data monetization is here because Tapestry is already paying you for your data. It's here, but we know data is the world's #1 commodity. We know that it is more than oil right now, and you know it's a $25 billion industry based off data. Companies want this data. The more data they have, the more they want to buy. So, family, it's a link in the description. Sign up. Listen, use my sign-in code. Use my link. Let's sign up. Let's get this free money, family. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. So let me share my screen again. Let's go right and let's listen to a little bit more about some of the answers and questions as far as Tapestry. If y'all have any questions, y'all put it in the chat. Let's go.
Well, I would recommend don't go through this survey super quick. I would really take your time multiple times. They're trying to reach out and try to figure out, are there bots taking surveys? Because generally that is the biggest concern in the space, in the data space. That's why we have capture on our website, because you have to choose the boats or choose the fire hydrants or the stoplights. Because generally at this point, a lot of bots cannot do that. But bots could clearly just run through here and answer questions very, very quickly. So as you take your time scrolling through, answer the same question over and over. And if you get impatient, you just want to stop, hit the back arrow. That's completely fine. There's no motivation to complete. It's completely up to you. It's completely voluntary. And we will share some of the earnings of anonymously of people who what they've made. And again, right now it's the middle of the month, and we've seen someone already made $175. So we're very, very encouraged by that. We will optimize this process, because the more we can understand about you, the better we can put optimized surveys in front of you so you can earn more. So that's the survey side. The green button you see here where it says stay active for 30 days and earn a bonus, that is checked by default. So you're active. Right now, this is active. You can't see the location icon because this Zoom meeting is red and it's taking that away, but it's doing that. I asked the developers yesterday, for my phone specifically, how many times did Tapestry see me? The answer, 343 times. It's working. It's working in the background. Literally, it's running constantly. And for those who are saying, they're spending a lot of time here in the map, for example, this will definitely drain your battery. Just like if you were in Waze or Google Maps or Apple Maps, if you sat here constantly, it's going to drain your battery. So what you can do is pop up and swipe. That removes Tapestry from running in the foreground. Now it's running in the background. Foreground, background. Foreground is when you're actually inside the app. Background is when you leave the app. And if you have background access, which when you download the app, you're agreeing to that, Tapestry will consistently run. You don't have to worry about it. And if you're unsure, just go to your 3 lines here, hit the settings, go to your payout history and see, did I make money yesterday? Did I make 19 cents, 24 cents, or whatever it has to be for you to hit your earnings goal? That is a key indicator if it's working. And as also, I'm just going to recap what I said earlier. Don't focus so much on the places visited. We're going to optimize this and we're going to get better at it. Right now, all the engineers are focused on getting this due build out for you to download. So it's completely, hopefully, knock on wood, problem free for some folks. But as Danny said earlier, we're seeing tens of thousands of installs. Many people are downloading this successfully, but no man or woman left behind.
All right, family. So that's that. So listen, I thank y'all for watching, family. Anybody that have any questions, y'all please ask them. Hey, family, download the app. Do not let this opportunity pass y'all by. Let's take care of this. Let's use this to our advantage, family. With that being said, family, peace. I love y'all, and why do?